This is the 8th experiment. Aim of the experiment to test insulation strength of transformer oil. Apparatus required BDV kit 10 kVA, 60 kV, transformer oil 200 gram. This is the theory how to measure BDV of a transformer oil. You can see this is the theory. Now this is the circuit diagram. I have tested the insulation strength of the transformer oil according to the Indian standard IS 335. Follow the standard IS 6792. This is the standard oil testing kit. You can see the diameter is specified here 36 and the curve is 25 R, and this is the standard, and distance you can set 2.5 according to the Indian standard. Already all the specification mentioned here. This is the test chamber of oil testing kit. Then precaution, these are the precaution. You can read carefully, then start your experiment. Procedure: adjust the BDV oil chamber electrode to 2.5 mm apart according to the Indian standard. You can see the figure, and increase the voltage according to the Indian standard. The standard will specify is there the voltage increase 2 kV per second. This is the standard. Already it's mentioned here. Switch on power supply, then increase the voltage at rate 2 kV per second approximately till flashover point of oil. You can increase the voltage 2 kV per second continuously at the till flashover point of oil, and make sure oil free from air bubble in each step. If flashover in 2 electrode, then some air bubble in create in oil chamber. Then first you can remove the air bubbles help of any stick. Then you can start same procedure and again start your experiment. If any air bubbles are present in oil chamber, then what happened? You can know the breakdown strength of oil and breakdown strength of air. Breakdown strength of oil is more compared to air. Then some air bubble in present in the oil, then the breakdown strength of the oil decreases. There are 2 electrodes in the oil chamber. One is the high voltage point, another is the ground point. Then this is discharged through the medium is or the dielectric is oil, but some air bubbles are present in oil, then the oil breakdown strength will be decreases. You cannot find accurate value of the breakdown strength of the transformer oil. First you can remove all the bubbles in transformer oil, then you can start your experiment. Now start our experiment. This is the test kit of transformer oil or BDV kit, breakdown voltage test kit for transformer oil. You can see this is the voltmeter. This voltmeter measure the voltage in kV range. You can see here is in kV. The scale is in kV range. Okay. Then this is the push button switch. You can press and increase the voltage continuously. The voltage you can increase 2 kV per second. This is the standard voltage, and this is the on off button. You can on, then you can increase the voltage. Now this side is rotary switch. You can help this switch. You can increase the voltage. First press the on button, then press this switch continuously, then increase the voltage. Help of this switch. You can rotate it, then power will increase. Now switch is off. First you can fill the oil to the kit, then you can start our experiment. You can see this is the oil chamber. You can fill oil to the chamber, then increase the voltage. This is the two sphere is here. The sphere diameter is 36 according to the Indian standard. Now distance is 2.5 mm. Now fill the oil to the container, then you can increase the voltage slowly according to the Indian standard 2 kV per second. Then one particular voltage flashover will occur in one sphere to another sphere. Then you can find out the flashover voltage or BDV, strength of the transformer oil. Now fill the oil first. This is the new oil of transformer. Now you can see oil is filled in container of the test kit. Now remove the bubbles in transformer oil. You can see air bubbles are in oil. If bubbles in the oil, then the breakdown voltage of the transformer oil will decreases. First you can remove the bubbles of the transformer oils. Now completed. This is the two ground terminal. Then if now cover is open, then the ground terminal connected to the high voltage terminal. Then you can close the door, then this two terminal is open. You can see. Now start. Now start our experiment. First power on. You can see indication is there. Now you can press the switch and increase the voltage slowly 2 kV per second. You can see in voltmeter pointer will increase slowly. Now voltage is 20 kV. Then increase slowly. The flashover is 30 kV. First note down and open the cover and remove the bubbles in transformer oil. Due to flashover, some air bubble are created in test kit. First remove the bubbles. Now start again same process. First on the power, then press this one and increase the voltage slowly 2 kV per second. Same process follow 5 times, then take the reading in average value. Now 20 kV, then voltage increase 24, 26, 28, now 31. Now flashover voltage is 31 kV. Now open this cover and remove the bubbles in the transformer oil. Then close. Now first power on, then press, then increase the voltage slowly 2 kV per second. This is a standard value. Now voltage is 16 kV, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Now flashover is 28 kV. then remove this one and remove the bubbles. Then close the container. Now remove the bubbles, then close the container, switch on the power supply, then press this one, then increase the voltage. Now voltage is 16 kV, then 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, switch on, then press this one, then increase the voltage. Now 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. 32 kV is the flasher voltage. Now again remove the bubbles in the transformer oil, then close. Now press this one and increase the voltage. Now 20 kV, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now flashover is 30 kV. Now experiment is completed. Then this is calculation. Now observation. First time I have tested the flasher voltage of the transformer oil is 30 kV, and second time is 31 kV. Third time I have tested the flasher voltage is 28 kV. Fourth time 32 kV, and fifth time is 30 kV. Then this is the average value of the breakdown voltage of the transformer oil. Now the VDV strength of the transformer oil is 30.2 kV. If your transformer oil voltage or VDV value is decreases, then different methods are available to increase the VDV strength of the transformer oil. If some moisture is enter in the transformer oil, then first remove the moisture. How to remove? First heat the transformer oil and remove the moistures. This is the different part and how to improve the transformer oil. But now our experiment only for measure breakdown strength of the transformer oil. Then this is the result. The breakdown strength is 30.2 kV.